How's it going, everybody? Student Trader here, and in today's video, take a look at IDEX. A very good day for this one, primarily based on earnings, of course, but take a look at that in a second with the news. Let's go ahead and break it down, just the technical analysis start standpoint. And if you guys are watching this with the premiere, go ahead and drop down a super chat to help support the channel. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Here we go. So we do have some support at the $2.99, $3 mark, as well as the 3.10, but really killer earnings. I think on my TD Ameritrade app it said it was up $19 million this year, opposed of around the 2 million last year. And obviously EVs are hot; they will continue to be hot. Biden just did or is planning to do something. I think I read again, guys. I think don't quote me. Trader plan or trade, but I think he gave 17 billion with a B to help or like do technology wise or research on electric vehicles, which is obviously huge if you're in the EV sector. And Ideanomics, they do some EV stuff as well. With the high up there at 328, there is a little resistance right there at 330. We are pulling back quite a bit here on the 15-minute chart, but really you really can't complain, to be honest with you. Take the profit if you're up. Always get back in, guys. There's no shame in doing that. Where can I go? Where's the PT? Obviously, we covered this a lot, and with the videos here, the high up there is at 553, so that's going to be on everybody's mind. It was really good even without the news. Look at this. It made a new low, or excuse me, it made a new high. 237 way back here in March 5th, and then recently, the 25th, a low of 246. And that's obviously creating a slope pattern. You can connect these two, is connecting, and this is a nice wave pattern. We really need to break out of the 1348s and really go past that one, because that's going to be making a new high, and then 1390, and obviously continually going up. Right there around that 412 as well. And 476, like I said, guys, there's lots of areas to break in this one. There's going to be a lot of people trying to hold this down, but with the earnings, we'll have to get the exact number tomorrow here. But -8, -15, -3, even if the company was just break even, 0, 0, 0, it'd still be good. Company's heading in the right direction, and anything positive is very much appreciated for the long-term haul of IDEX. Here, taking a look at the news now. Yeah, right here. See, economics. 26.8 million, EV revenue 19.5. So, right there, folks. That's really, really, really good. You guys can pause the video and read any of these news. I want to see Ideanomics says invest 13.2 million in Italian electric motorcycle company, Ingenierica Motor Company. Go ahead and add that one to your watch list. I don't think they have a I don't think they have a stock quite yet, but look out for it definitely, because that's going to be huge. Again, pause the video and read any of these catalysts. What I do appreciate, though, is we do get news at least every week, and obviously, if you're long hauling it, you need news, and IDX is pretty good at dropping news. Right here, there was the 9-day gap, and that's why it was kind of fading away. EV stocks, I will tell you right now, just from my experience with them, and doing videos and talking to you guys in the Patreon and Discord and stuff, is that EV companies definitely need good earnings. Otherwise, just like a startup company, and who knows where that's going to go. And it really needs good news, at least 2 a week. I mean, come on. You need to keep the investors updated, because if you don't give them what they want, they'll just go ahead and find a new stock. Like instead of investing in IDX, they go to DPW, SOLO, OZSC. Tesla, if they have enough money to make good money on it. NIO. There is so much more EV companies out there, and yeah, you need to have killer news and killer earnings. IDX came clutch with those two this past couple weeks here, so I definitely see it going past the 553 mark. We just continuously need to be stepping up, and I think we can get there eventually. It may take it a week or two, but even with that, a couple dollar for a week, I'll definitely take that one any day, really. Again, guys, in the Patreon, we've been talking about this nonstop, so definitely click the link in the description to join that up. And I'll see you next one, guys. All right, thanks for watching IDEX.